Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make Spotify continue playing songs in the background of your device. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on an article on VI Wizard, so you can check it out freely if you want. The title of the article is this, how to keep Spotify playing in the background, and I'll be going over the steps outlined here. Now let me just get back to it. But yeah, for some reason Spotify might start or stop playing songs in the background depending on a variety of factors, and I'll be going over all of them to make sure that you can disable them so that your Spotify can continue playing songs. Now firstly, battery saver might stop Spotify from doing this to conserve battery power, and the way you do this is you go into your phone settings, then select apps or manage apps and find Spotify, and then tap on Spotify to open its settings and look for the battery saver option, and then set the background settings to no restrictions so that you can ensure that it's on at all times. Now, you need to allow Spotify to use data in the background so that it can stay connected to the internet. You need to navigate to settings, go to apps or manage apps, find Spotify, pretty much the same 3 steps here. Then look for data usage and toggle the background data on so that it can use data in the background. Then you need to check for ongoing apps since some other apps might occupy the audio output channel. You need to go into your recent apps or open the app switcher on your device and close as many apps as possible. YouTube and TikTok and other sort of apps such as Instagram do tend to interfere, so just close them. You can use Spotify's official suggestions by logging out of your account, then go to the home screen, tap on settings, and then scroll down and select log out, and then restart your device and log back into your Spotify account and check if the issue is resolved. And if that doesn't work, you can just always try to reinstall the application, and I won't be explaining how to do this since you probably already know. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.